Hello, my name is Dirk and I want to introduce you to my parrots. These two parrots are Jardine's parrots and they are still babies, as you can see. Of course, they have nearly no red in their plumage. They are completely green, and if they get older they will get a red cap over their beak. This is a male. Come on, Konrad, come on, step up. Come on. This is my male, it's Konrad. And here's the female, Ada. And maybe you can't see any difference between these birds. Hard to distinguish. If you look very, very closely, Konrad has a slightly darker head and a little bit larger beak. And here you can see Ada has some red just before, at the tip of the tail here. And Konrad does not have this. This has nothing to do with the gender. This red is just an individual marked specific bird. Breeders say the gender is decidable by the color of the birds. The females are a hair more yellow than the males, and I don't think you can see this after the YouTube compression algorithm has processed this video. Like if I compare my birds, that's true. Ada has a little bit more yellow in her plumage than Konrad. And but besides of this, for the human eye, they are not distinguishable. Maybe it's easier for the parrot eye. I don't know. Parrots can see in the ultraviolet, but we humans can't do. So maybe it's easier for them. Okay, you can see or hear they're making sounds the whole time. That's, I think, a begging sound, because they're just weaned for 4 weeks now, I think. They are 5 months young. I got them when they were 4 months young. And hey, come on. So sometimes they still behave like a baby bird, and they melt into the ground and make huge baby sounds. But sometimes they can be very quiet. If I leave the room, they first get really loud. I can demonstrate it later, I think. But after a few minutes, they will completely fall silent. So, yeah. These birds came tame. They were tamed by handfed and therefore tamed by the breeder. The breeder told me he took over the feeding after they were 4 weeks old. So 4 weeks parent raised, and after that for 2 months or so, or 3 months hand fed. They're quite tame, but not educated now. So here's a nice begging behavior from Ada. She does this very often. It's really soft feathers. I love it. I love it. Yeah, nice girl. Nice girl. Yep. If they do this squawking directly in the ear, it pierces a little bit. Okay, not the camera. Yeah, very lucky. Hey, come. Come on, my friend. Konrad, come on here. Come on. Come. This works all the time. Yeah, what can I tell about them? They are full-flighted. This is normal here in Germany. You don't get split birds normally. That's a fine thing. And half of the offers I found on the net were hand-raised birds and half were parrot-raised. But since Poicephalus parrots, all species, tend to be very skittish and to injure themselves trying to get away from the humans when they're not hand-raised, I took to hand-raised. These both are siblings from the same clutch, so I will not be able to breed them, but that's okay for me, now at least. They say they can get 30 years old, so a lot of time we have to spend together, hopefully. Like most African birds, African parrots, they are more on the quiet side. But does not mean that they are unhearable or in any cases quiet. Let's try to demonstrate it. Come on. Oh. Here, come. Ada, come to me. Sit. I will try to leave the room and let's see what happens then. Okay, you heard? That's the noise level they can reach. I think they don't get louder than this would be heard here. If you think that this is still too loud for you or for your neighbors, then you should definitely check out the Myers parrot. They are told to be even quieter. But I have no personal experience with the Myers parrots. They are really nice, really pretty, in my opinion, and even quieter.